If you've just made the move to Windows 11, one of the biggest changes you'll notice is the Start button is no longer in the bottom left of the screen, and when you click on it, the Start menu is now centre aligned. In this video, I'll show you how to move it back over to the left. To change the Start menu to be left aligned, you first need to click on the Start button. Then, open Settings. In the list on the left, click on Personalisation. Now, you might not see this list on the left because if this box is any smaller, it's hidden away. And you either need to click on that stripy button in the top left, or just make the window a bit wider. So in the list, click on Personalisation. Then scroll down this main part and click on Taskbar. Then scroll down again and click on Taskbar Behaviours. And you'll see Taskbar Alignment Centre. You need to change this to say left. And now you can close Settings. And now you'll find your Start button and all these icons have moved over to the left. And when you open the Start menu, it's left aligned. Now I'd be interested to know what other things about Windows 11 you find annoying, so let me know in the comments below. And if there's anything that I can show you how to change about Windows 11, maybe I'll make a video about it in future. If this video helped you, please give it the thumbs up, and if you'd like to see more of my videos in future, please hit the red subscribe button, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.